1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 11 equal to 11 by 30, where x not equal to minus 4 by 7. Here what we have to find? X. Why? Because it is variable. So now when you get this kind of question, do the cross multiplication. First, what is the LCM? X plus 4 into x minus 7. So same thing, we have x plus 4. So we don't have x minus 7. You write. But there is minus symbol. You write minus symbol. And x plus 4 equal to 11 by 30. And now expand here. X minus 7, let it be minus x minus 4 divided by. So there is product of double bracket. X into x, x square. X into minus 7, 4 into x. Okay. There is plus, I kept a plus only. Next, 4 sevens are 28. So therefore minus 28. That is equal to 11 by 30. Now, is there any cancellation? X is getting cancelled. Minus 7 or minus 4 will get minus 11. X square minus 7 plus 4 you will get minus 3x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Any cancellation now? 11 getting cancelled. Here there is only minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 1 by 30. Now do cross multiply. So I am writing here. Okay. Minus 30 equal to doing cross multiply. Now x square minus 3x minus 28. Now sending minus 3 this side. Plus 30. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here again we have to do factorization. X square minus 3x plus 2 is quadratic equation. So factors of 2. 1 into 2, 2. Anybody? 2 ones are very good. 2 ones are 2. But there is minus 3 in middle term. So we have to keep minus symbol. So minus and minus 2 and minus 1 you get minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 1 you get plus 2. Okay. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now I am taking x common. X minus 2 one factor. Same thing. X minus 2 another factor. So I kept minus 1 there. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 comma 2. So this is the required answer. Thank you. Are you clear?
Yes.